Okay, I should have a tool change about happening. Right now, fan is at 0% speed. Okay, it's starting. You see the fan kicked for a second there. That was the kickstart. It's doing the tool change. I don't know why, but there it is. It's at 1%. Let's see what console is saying. Okay, you can see it says how it's setting up the last, the time and everything. The last speed set to, so I guess that's T2, and it's going through the stuff like you said, but the fan's staying at 1%, and there's not enough juice to run the fan at 1%. You've seen in the video where it kick-started for the second. Did the wipe, and because the fan wasn't running, see how my string's stuck. There it goes. I mean, at least the fan's off. That's the problem I used to have. And the fan will come on when the slicer now calls for it to. But I'm still having issues. My print failed last night because, here's all these left over, but some of them got caught up here and caused the bed to skip, the layer shift. So this is where I'm at, trying to figure out what the problem is. Here it goes to the fan, the tool change. Watch. Fan will kick on briefly. Well, hell, it didn't even kick that time. It didn't do the kickstart. It's showing back at 1% again though. And I mean, I can go to tuning, or not tuning, but well, shit. Where would it be? It would be settings, fan. I can turn my fan up. Problem is, my fan doesn't work until I hit 8 to 10%. Here, let's say 13. There it's trying to go up. There it went. Now the fan's spinning, and you'll end up seeing my purge works out a whole lot better this time when it wipes because there's fan on. There, switched to its color, did the wipe, see? That's with some fan. And I don't know why it's on 13%. I guess that's maybe, I don't know. Hold on, maybe I'm on to something, but let's see what happens now. It's doing up, just went back to 1%. Fan is going to stop because of it. Here I am at 1% again. And I could keep this video going, but and like I said, as I go down through my logs here, it's going through and it's doing the stuff. If I go to console, let's actually go to the console. Okay, here's there's the one that'll matter to you. Second speed defined as 45. So I don't know why it goes to 1%.